Sorry. Hi. From Wonder.ph.
Oh, Wonder Magazine. I apologize.
Hi. We just wanted to know how can you tell us about or share the experience when you guys shot the first date scene but this time with Coke?
Yeah. Oh, kami, as Irene and Stu, since our story is like parang lagi kami nag-aaway and then nagkaroon ng attraction sa amin, na-excite din kami sa first date scene namin. And mas lalo kaming na-excite na it's with Coca-Cola. So, ayun, when we got to the set, daming pagkain.
Daming pagkain. Sabi natin, tapusin natin ito, para kainin natin ito.
Yeah. But yeah, actually, yung experience namin doon, it was first scene in the morning. Tapos gutom na gutom kami. And then, syempre, kailangan namin gawin yung scenes and all. Pero nakatingin lang talaga ako. So, ang init kasi set. So, nakatingin lang ako sa Coke. Inom na ako.
Oh no. Yun yung answer. Kasi mainit din sa set that time.
Super. Yun yung time na peak yung init sa Philippines.
And it really quenches your thirst when you have a nice cold.
Yeah, especially pag nakaupo lang siya dyan. Lamig.
Tapos na mamawis-mawis na yun.
Ganun ba na?
Ayun, so we have 3 more questions, guys. But you guys, we are so lucky because this is the inside scoop of what really goes on behind set. But before we get into the 3rd question, let's give it a round of applause, guys. Come on! Ayun, perfect. Yes, so our next question will come from Mr. Angelo Sanchez from Manila Bulletin.
Hi!
Hello, good morning. My question is, with the Coca-Cola food marks here in Binondo, what are the specific dish you want to try?
Oh, we want to try. We've tried almost everything.
Oo, halos lahat kasi natagal na namin dito.
Yes. Pero yung tumatak sa akin yung fried dumplings. Fried siopaw.
Ako din. Siopaw, tsaka yung hopia. Of course,
yes.
yung hopia.
Yes.
Hopia.
Alright, thank you very much for that question. I also like that, yung siopaw tsaka yung fried dumplings. Yun talaga yung pinupuntahan ko.
Yeah, pagdating ka dito, nagpa-order na ako.
Ay, wow! Alright, so next question, guys, will come from April Salazar from Manila Bulletin.
Hi. Aside from siopaw and siomai, what are your favorite food to pair with Coke?
Ako, ikaw, sa'yo?
Ako, inihaw, street food. Yes.
Yempo. Ako yempo.
Wow.
Chicken wings. Ayun.
And steak.
Steak? Oh, ayun. Yeah, madam. Si Irene. Steak tsaka ako. Si Irene.
Alright, thank you very much. And we have one last question for you guys for this from our very special guest. And it's coming from Nico Garcia from Philstar.
Hi, hello.
Hello
po.
Hi.
Hello po.
So Marisa and Anthony, if you're gonna plan a food trip with your friends or maybe even your fans, where will it be and why?
Lalayo pa ba tayo? Siyempre dito na sa Binondo. And I have friends from Davao na pumunta dito. Dala ko sila sa Binondo. Or minsan galing na sila sa Binondo, pupunta sa bahay ko. Ang dami kasing places dito na pwedeng kainan. Actually, Binondo talaga puntahan ng mga tao para mag-food trip.
Dito rin ako nag-food crawl sa Binondo. So, yan. Pero ako, dahil sabi niya ng Binondo, ako sa bahay ng mama ko. Masarap pagluto mama ko, libre pa. So, yun. Di ba?
That's true.
And maraming food marts. Yeah.
Yes,
so easy to spot na yung mga restaurants with ice cold food.
It's honestly so good that we have this, we can access this.
Yes.
Kasi dami sa atin na gusto talaga mag-try ng mga bagong food. But sometimes we're not aware na nandiyan pala siya.
Yeah, and it's easy to spot kasi may magandang logo. Pupunta ka na.
It makes it easier.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I have one last question for you guys. And that is coming from me. Andito ako right here. So okay, so ito naman. So if you could give any advice to everyone here on creating, parang nervous.
Advice kasi.
Advice from me?
Advice from me?
Yeah, so advice on creating real moments over real meals, what advice would you like to give?
Sa akin, syempre, be present. Yeah, no distractions, have genuine connections, usap, kwentuhan kayo, and order kayo ng ice cold Coca-Cola.
Ano lang, ano sa akin na live the moment. Magitotoo ka lang sa sarili mo. Para sa mga lalaki, pag kinabahan kayo, lagok lang kayo ng ice cold Coca.
That's true.
May confidence.
Para hindi
Makahit ka muna. Para malabas na.
Yes, ayun. So thank you guys for asking from our media friends. And thank you for answering my question. Kasi alam ko naman later on na we will all create the moments with Coke. Ayun. So now guys, we are going to move on to a fun part. Ito na yung exciting part. Ready na ba kayo sa exciting part? Kayo, ready ba kayo?
Yes.
Ready na? Alright, so we will now play a fun game called Word Scramble. Okay? Aside here. And of course, all you have to do is to give us an answer. So with the letters that I will tell you, you have to decipher kung ano yung word na yun.
Okay.
Ayun. Okay guys, let's make some noise for them. I think they need our support. Ayun. Okay, so simulan natin with Maris. Okay, ito. Let's head on to our first challenge. Guess this word, Maris. Our first word has the letters I, O, S, A, P, O. So, I will give you a clue. It is a steamed bun with berry filling.
Wait lang, tama rin, nahihirapan ng O. Kasi nag-cream ako.
Baka ayos apo.
Ayos ako.
Ayos apo. Okay, so ako din, nagugutom ako. I'm a little bit embarrassed by that.
Wow.
Okay, so what is your answer?
Siopaw!
Okay, is siopaw the right answer? Let's go check! Siopaw is the correct answer! And okay, bola-bola o ano? Yung, anong tawag to? Asado, oo. Anong klaseng siopaw yung gusto mo?
Siopaw asado.
Ayun, how about yourself?
Ako asado.
Asado. Ako din, asado.
Ikaw asado ka ba?
Dapat tayo din bola-bola.
Oo. Masarap kasi yung asado may sauce. Tapos parang, it's paired with Coke. Parang mas malaki. Diba?
And
Oh.
paired with Coke. Parang,
Actually, that's true. Okay, guys, are you guys ready to hear Anthony's answer? I will be asking him a question now. So Anthony, this is your question. So, ang question is, siopaw nga ba ang Coca-Cola? Okay, so ito na ang question mo.
ako na lang magsabi.
Okay, for your question, what is the oldest Chinatown in the world? It is a gastronomic epicenter for food adventures with an ice-cold Coke dito sa Manila. Nabanggit na namin ito kanina. So, let's go look at the letters here.
Binondo. Hindi ko na kailangan kasi.
Ayun, tama. Oo nga. Binondo is the correct answer! Okay, tama. Perfect. Okay, so there you have it, guys. And of course, Binondo, it is here where we all are, and we will start our journey later on. And as Patty mentioned, Binondo is landmark, an icon of our history in itself. So Binondo has been 400 years old na siya. Grabe, 400 years old. Established in 1594. You guys weren't aware, 1594.
1894.
Diba? So parang ninuno pa natin yung
Tagal na, no?
Yes.
Yes. So because of its history and legacy of authentic Chinese cuisine, it is the epicenter of food landmarks here in Manila. All right. So can you imagine